going to be going over two really cute Easter projects. If y'all saw my last reel, I went to the dollar store and just grabbed some cute Easter projects, well, some Easter products that I can turn into either projects or gifts for the kitties. These are really, really simple, and it's something that you can do at home. Welcome to Crafty Sunday, guys. Thanks for joining. I'm Monet, my Melanie Crafts owner. Every Sunday I do Crafty Sundays where I go over different projects that you can create at home, craft, really affordable, and I also showcase different projects that I sell in my shop that you can also DIY. These are really, really simple, and it's something that you can do at home. And the second project, also from the dollar store, will take a little time and it'll take a little bit more tools as well. I'm gonna use a glue gun, and I'm gonna be using this foam circle that I got from the dollar store. I'm gonna take that off. And I'm going to be using this felt craft kit this bunny craft kit as well. So I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to be using all of the materials, so I want to make sure I get this as well. So the next thing we're going to be making, I can put all of my Cricut stuff to the side. The next thing we're going to be making is, I'm a little neat freak, so this is bothering me. We're gonna be making a bunny wreath, all right? So we're gonna take the items out of here, and I'm gonna be altering this quite a bit. So I'm gonna take the little felt bunny out. I'm gonna work on the bunny first. So the felt bunny, they have the little picture on it. And again, you can include this in your basket and use it as well. But I'm gonna be altering it to make my bunny wreath. And you can place these on your door, in the kitchen, on the counter, anywhere. It's just decorations at this point. Add a little hoop to it, and then you'll have a door hanger. So I'm gonna be using specifically the ear part. I don't want to make the whole bunny. So I'm gonna be using this ear part that's already cut out. Or does it go that way? I'm gonna use both of those. All right, I'm gonna be using my new, which I ran out and got today, my new Ryobi mini glue gun. I have my battery over here charging, so it could be good to go. I'm gonna be using my mini glue gun. I love Ryobi products so much. All right, so let's see if let's warm this up. While that's doing that, I'm gonna glue these down. If the glue comes out, let's see. Where's my little sticker thingy? Up here. Also got this little picker from the dollar store as well. My glue dried up. My glue is always drying up on me. I need to remember to put the lid back on. That'll be more helpful. Let me grab, There we go. Dig that out. Hopefully that'll work. We'll see. Nah, that ain't working. Let's grab this one. Just gonna take this, glue it down. I'm gonna do the same for this one. And because I'm adhering it to this board here, this foam board, I'm going to actually use the top of this lid that was cut out to make it sturdier, just so I don't have to worry about the ears flapping and falling down. So I'm just going to cut this. And this is all experimental, so we'll see if it works. And I also want to cut my ears off the bunny. All right, so we can put the bunny, the earless bunny, to the side. What I'm gonna do is just put this down, and then I'm gonna also be cutting around that, so that again, I have something that's supporting the back of this and it'll be stronger. So, what I'm gonna do here, take some glue and press it down. I'm gonna do the same for the other. Now we have a bunny ear that's super supported from the back. Let's do the same for this one. Try to get closer this go around so that I don't have to go back with the smaller scissors. So that side is good. And remember, all we're doing this for is so that when we put it on our wreath, it won't flop around and be, and it'll be sturdy. All right, so we have our bunny ears. So what we're gonna do is adhere our bunny ears to the foam ball. So we can either do the back. I think I'm gonna do the bunny ears and put them on the back. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on the back. Now, let's see if this has enough get up and go. Oh, it definitely did. All right, so let's shut out and heat it up really, really quick. All right, so we're gonna take our glue gun. I'm gonna let that charge while we do that. I'm not even worried about that little part because we're gonna come back. And we're gonna add our bunny ear to the back like this. Press, press, press. So far, so good. And then we're gonna take it again and add to it. I love that it's just portable. I absolutely love that. All right, and then we're going to add to the back. And we have bunny ears. All right, so you know the next part is I got some cotton balls. So that is what we're going to take and put around the wreath so that we can have a full white bunny. All right, I'm not worried about that one. All right, so let's get into putting this on here. And as you see, that's why I said I wasn't worried about that spilling on here, because I'm gonna take this and adhere it on here anyway. So I'm gonna take my gun I'm gonna probably need some more glue sticks. I'm gonna take my cotton balls and put them on here. Make sure this is on here right. And I got 2 bags of these. I'm gonna go through this fairly quickly. You want to make sure that they're all close to each other as well. That way you don't see any gaps. And now we can go back and fill up some of the gaps on the inside. But you can see basically this is the concept of it. You have a bunny ear. You can take something and hold it up to the top and then you'll have a bunny wreath. But this is, like I said, a little cute project for kids or for teachers to use in classrooms, something that's really easy and affordable. And I think that's good. My OCD is wanting me to put them in all of the little green spots, but you want to make sure that when you do it, that you make sure that they're just pushed together really well. But that is a bunny wreath. So we created this bunny wreath with $3 products, well, $1 products, $1.25 products, but that is a cute, simple little bunny wreath that you can adhere or put wherever you choose. Thank you guys for tuning in this Crafty Sunday, and I will see you next Sunday.